is Jayashree Wagmare. Welcome to the BSG News, and here are the top headlines of this week. Scouts and Guides of Madhya Pradesh made President of India on Bal Divas. 5 members participated in seminar at Nepal. Reorientation course for trainers of guide being conducted at Uttar Pradesh. Various adventure camps conducted at Goa, Jaisalmer and Darjeeling. State conducted Tritiya Sopan testing camp, unit leaders camps. Members of Chhattisgarh met Captain Angad Pratap, fighter pilot and member Gaganyaan mission. Lok Sabha Speaker Sri Om Birla released the stickers at Kota. Southern Railway organized state-level scout guide meet at Nepal. Members of Tamil Nadu state participated in the sea visual exercise. The Scouts and Guides of Neemuch district of Madhya Pradesh state, Bharat Scouts and Guides, had the esteemed honor of meeting Her Excellency Mrs. Draupadi Murmu, President of India, on the occasion of Children's Day, November 14, 2024. International events. 4 members of Tamil Nadu state and 1 from Karnataka state represented the Bharat Scouts and Guides India in seminar on the future of education organized by the Nepal Scouts at Kathmandu, Nepal from 14th to 17th November 2024. WAGS Empowering Young Minds as part of the WAGS Juliet Law Seminar 2024 and the 100 Girls Project, Miss Akshaya Sarojini Young, Guide Captain from Tamil Nadu, led a session on Empower Her Navigating Adolescence with Confidence on 15th November 2024. The session covered important topics like menstrual hygiene, sexual health education, and mental resilience. It includes pre and post questionnaires and involved 113 girl guides from Ambattur schools. One of our young advocacy champions, Sharmin from India, met Ruchi Kadral, Deputy Secretary, Environment Policy, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, at COP29 Baku, Azerbaijan. Diamond Jubilee Jamboree. Sri Amarvi Chhetri, Executive Director, briefed the training team of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides during a meeting on November 12, 2024 at Trichy, Tamil Nadu. The discussion focused on the preparations for the upcoming Diamond Jubilee Jamboree. Project CLAP UNICEF. Parental Care Workshop was conducted with Miss Monica Moria in the office of UNICEF at Bhopal on 15th November 2024 under the leadership of Sri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director and Nodal Officer, to discuss 75-year celebration of BSG. About 30 participants of 13 districts participated in the workshop. Sri Rajesh Prasad Mishra, State Secretary BSG, MP, was the chief guest, and Sri Anil Gulati, Head of UNICEF, Bhopal, and Ms. Alka Malhotra were the special guests of the workshop, who came from UNICEF Delhi State Headquarters. NTC Pachmadi. Reorientation course for trainers of guide wing was conducted at the State Training Center, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh from 14th November to 18th November 2024 under the leadership of Ms. Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director, Adult Leader Training. 20 trainers participated in the course. The course was inaugurated by Dr. Sudha Prakash, former Vice President, State Commissioner, Commissioner and Joint Director, Education Department of UP. NAI Pachmadi. The 507th National Adventure Program was conducted at the National Adventure Institute in Pachmadi from 18th to 24th November 2024 under the leadership of Ms. Bilkis Sheikh, in charge Adventure Program Officer. 302 participants from East Central Railway and Haryana participated. Karsiang, West Bengal. Special National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Snowview, Karsiang, Darjeeling from 12th to 16th November 2024, in which 117 participants of Chhattisgarh state participated. The 75th Diamond Jubilee National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Karsiang, Darjeeling from 18th to 24th November 2024 under the leadership of Mr. Vivek Kumar Das, Junior Instructor, in which 95 participants participated. On 19th November 2024, Colonel Ranveer Singh Jamwal, Singh, BSM, Director of the National Institute of Mountaineering and Adventure Sports, NIMAS, was the chief guest in his motivational speech. He inspired scouts and guides by sharing his experiences. Colonel Jamwal is the first from Army to summit all 7 of the world's highest peaks and also has the unique record of climbing the highest peak of all 28 states in India during Har Shikhar Tiranga mission. NYC Gadpuri. Two national youth adventure programs were conducted at Goa from 11 to 15th and from 17th to 21st November under the leadership of Mrs. Surekha Srivastava, Deputy Director of Guides Girl Program, who was assisted by Mr. Siddharth Mohanty, Project Officer. In both the programs, 212 participants took part. Additionally, one National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan from 12th to 16th November 2024 under the leadership of Sri Aman Singh, Junior Instructor, with 250 participants from the Haryana Education Department. Now, news from the state. Arunachal Pradesh. Lower Siang District Association of Arunachal Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted zonal level Tritiya Sopan training and testing camps from 9 to 12 November 2024 at the Tourist Lodge, Upper Colony, Likab Valley. 40 scouts and 52 guides participated, assisted by 16 staff members. Andhra Pradesh. In connection with the Foundation Day, Scouts and Guides of Andhra Pradesh Model School, Kosigi had taken out a rally headed by Srimati S. Samira and Sri Sundar Kumar, Scoutmaster, and Srimati Rajeswan, Guide Captain, on 13 November 2024. Bihar. Scouts and Guides of Vaishali District of Bihar State BSG offered service at the Kartik Purnima Mela Sahayata Seva Camp held from 13 to 16 November 2024 at the state-sponsored Girls Higher Secondary School, Hajipur. District Collector Sri Yashpal Meena and Deputy Development Commissioner Sri Shams Javed Ansan attended the program. Chhattisgarh. During the special adventure camp for Chhattisgarh State at Darjeeling, participants got the opportunity to meet Group Captain Angad Pratap, fighter pilot Indian Air Force, who was one of the 4 astronauts of the Gaganyaan mission. Captain Pratap, an alumnus of the National Defence Academy (NDA), extended his best wishes to the participants. East Central Railway. On the occasion of Guru Purnima, the Scouts, Rovers and Scoutmasters of Netaji Group, GOMO of East Central Railway, along with the District Association of Dhanbad, took a pledge to make India plastic-free. The initiative focused on cleaning the railway colony at Kalighat, Durgapada in Gomo and the Jamunia River at Jitpur, Gomo. Goa. On 7 November 2024, Goa State organized a 5-kilometer walkathon from Nirmal Nature Campsite to Tiramol Panchayat Hall. The event featured at skiing on Scout and Guide laws and a captivating anti-drugs qawwali. Sri P.R. Nadkarni, State Chief Commissioner, along with officials, met Sri Arvind Katkar, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Kampal Panaji, and to Sri Govind Gaude, MLA, Minister of Sports, Government of Goa, and presented flag day stickers. Gujarat. The Ahmedabad City District of Gujarat State BSG organized a Scouts and Guides refresher course at the State Training Center, Ahmedabad, on 16th and 17th November 2024. The event was graced by Mr. Dhruv Vyas, Vipul Dev, Chief Commissioner, Sri Kamlesh Dev, DOC, Scout, and several other distinguished guests. Haryana. Foundation Day was celebrated across all districts of Haryana State. State officials presented BFG flag sticker to Srimati Amrit P. Kumar, IAS, State Commissioner, Bulbul, Dr. Mani Ram Sharma, IAS State Commissioner, Administration, and Sri Jitendra Kumar, IAS, State Commissioner, Scout, and also to the dignitaries of various government officers. Walkathon was also organized in various districts. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted state level Rover Ranger Samagam at the District Training Center, Almela, Ujjain from November 15 to 19, 2024 under the leadership of Sri Suresh Pathak, SOC Scout. Betul District Association conducted the Dvitiya Sopan testing camp at RD Public Higher Secondary School, Betul from 14 to 18 November 2024. 22 scouts and 24 guides participated. North-Western Railway Ajmer Division of North-Western Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted state-level specialized course on first aid at State Training Center, Western Railway, Gulwad from 14 to 18 November 2024. NVS Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti conducted advanced courses for Scout Masters and Guide Captains of the Lucknow Division at Gayatri Peeth, Shanti Kuj, Haridwar from 11 to 17 November 2024. Scout Masters course was conducted by Sri Shyam Kishore Tiwari, LT Scout, ASOC Scout, while 25 Guide Captain attended the advanced course for Guide Captains, which was led by Ms. Sushila Joshi, ALT Guide. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Rajya Puraskar testing camps for rovers and rangers at the state headquarters, Bhubaneswar from 11 to 13 November 2024. Around 500 participants from 23 districts of Odisha took part in the event. The course was inaugurated by Dr. K.P. Mishra, National Vice President of and State Chief Commissioner of Odisha in the presence of state officials. Rajasthan. On 7 November 2024, Honorable Lok Sabha Speaker Sri Om Birla released the stickers of Bharat Scouts and Guides in Kota. In his brief address, he mentioned that the Bharat Scouts and Guides organization is working for the all-round development of boys and girls, not just in the state but across the entire country. For any organization, it is crucial to be financially strong in addition to having a strong membership base. South Central Railway South Central Railway State celebrated the 74th Foundation Day and launched BSG India's Diamond Jubilee celebrations with events at General Manager's Chamber and State Headquarters. Making the milestone and gearing up for the 75th anniversary, that is 1950 to 2025, Chief Guest Sri Arun Kumar Jain, GM and Patron, along with other dignitaries and SHQ officials and others participated. As part of disaster preparedness, a mock drill was organized by the Safety Department of Railways at Rajmundry on 20th November with the initiative of Sri Edwin, District Chief Commissioner, and Sri D. Prasad, Assistant District Chief Commissioner of Rajamundry, from morning till evening with the help of NDRF personnel. A large number of scouts, guides, rovers and rangers from Vijayawada and Rajamundry participated. Southeast Central Railway Southeast Central Railway State conducted Rajya Puraskar testing camps 2024 for scouts, guides, rovers and rangers at State Training Center, Kodri, Bilaspur from 12 to 16 November 2024. 100 participants along with staff members participated in the course. Southeastern Railway Members of the Kharagpur District Association of Southeastern Railway State organized a Langar Community Kitchen to celebrate Guru Nanak's birthday on November 15, 2024 at the Kharagpur Gurudwara in West Bengal. Rovers and rangers of Adra District Association rendered religious services at Adra Gurudwara. Members of Jawahar Group, Adra District distributed pre-winter clothing to needy individuals in Adra on 17th November 2024. Southern Railway The Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarters has conducted state-level annual Scouters Guiders meet at Nepal from 12 to 16 November 2024. 60 members and 10 leaders took part in the meet 20 members and 5 leaders of Himalayan Scout Group of Pokhara, Nepal also participated in cultural exchange activities. Tamil Nadu. On 16 November 2024, Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Tamil Nadu State participated in the Sea Vigil exercise aboard INS Bitra, organized by the Indian Coastal Army. The event conducted with a royal salute to our national heroes, refreshment and group photography. Rangers of Sairam District Association welcomed the Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University, Dr. K. Narayan Swamy, MD, DM Gastro, during the 24th induction program of Medical College 2024. Uttar Pradesh. It is a moment of pride for the moment that Guide Komal Devi of Class 7, Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh, had the opportunity to serve as the Chief Development Officer for a day on November 19, 2024. Uttarakhand. 30th Sopan Scouts and Guides Camp of Uttarakhand State, Bharat Scouts and Guides was organized from 13 to 17 November 2024 at Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Junior High School, Dhalwala, Rishikesh. 115 Scouts and Guides from 30 schools participated in the camps. Sri V.P. Singh, Block Chief Commissioner, inspected the camp. Now, new circulars issued. Circular number 220. Diamond Jubilee Jamboree of the Bharat Scouts and Guides at Trichy, Tamil Nadu State. Circular number 21. National Adventure Program at NEI, Pachmadi from April 2025 to March 2026. Circular number 222. Diamond Jubilee Jamboree of the Bharat Scouts and Guides selection of Jamboree staff. Circular number 223. Diamond Jubilee Jamboree selection of service rovers and rangers for Jamboree service team. Circular number 225. Construction of adventure and fun base for the Diamond Jubilee Jamboree. Requirements of volunteers. For more news, please visit the Bharat Scouts and Guides website bsgindia.org. Stay tuned with us through the YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and other social media sites of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters.